I'm off on a walk. Saw this guy standing on the mud doing a painting of these boats. I love it when you see someone doing their weird art. I'm going to show you some of my weird art today. Here I am walking along. There's lots of people around. What they don't know is that I've got a secret. Now these people know my secret, but I'm about to show it to you. My secret is I've got a tiny instrument. None of these guys know. We've got to get somewhere a bit more secluded. So let's pop round the corner here, have a little walk through the woods, see if we can find a good spot in the woods to whip it out. Let's pop round the corner here. This looks like a nice spot. I've been learning the ukulele for about 3 weeks, so you're about to hear how terrible that sounds. What's in this tiny bag? It is a small bag, notice, with an even smaller instrument within. Now that you've seen me take my instrument out, let's go back in time and see how it got this small. We have done it, we have completed our little project here. It looks a bit tatty, but it works. I've had a very long day at work, but I still wanted to come out in this evening light and have a go on my travel ukulele. This has been made by my fair hand using really basic tools because I wanted something I could throw in a backpack and play when I was out walking in wild places. You know what, there's a bunch of ways this could be improved. I did it as a rushed one-day build using one of the cheapest ukuleles I could find on Vinted and using very cheap tuners. If both of those were switched out, you'd have a much better product. And I made a couple of mistakes. You can see why I've used an extra big washer here where I made the hole a little too big. But overall, I'm really pleased with how this came out. And the biggest testament to it is I've sat here practicing without the camera on for a little while because I've just been enjoying it so much.